In today's video, I'll be sharing day 2 of Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. The Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween is a box full of 13 different die sets. Each die set is numbered by the day, and I have been opening them one at a time because I love surprises. So here is day 2, and when you open it, there's a little image of what is included and all the dies that you need to create that image. There's also a stamp set and a pack of sequins. This image, I think the first image was kind of cute as far as the little vampire. This maybe is a little bit more spooky, so there's a little bit of everything I think in this box. We'll see as we go along. Like I said, I haven't opened them all yet. What I love about these dies is that they're very easy to put together. They're layering dies, so you can see there's an open die for the skeleton, the skull, and then a top die. That allows you to create that black background where the eyes are, and then the white front, which is the actual skull. Same thing with the raven. There's a little hole in the eye socket area, and you can back that with a small circle. There's also a little monocle, and there are little feet and legs. Those attach by a bar up on top. So everything is very easy to adhere together. It's not very tricky. There's no, trying to figure out where things go. It's all very simple. There's a little top hat and a ribbon around it as well. There's also the beak for the raven, and then there's also a little bow tie that you can put on, and you can see I put that right over the string from the monocle there. And then that little raven can get adhered right to the top of the skull. Now, I've taken a piece of violet cardstock and I've cut it with the pinking edges dies. This is a non-Halloween die set, so I'm like trying to mix in a bunch of different Spellbinders products so that you can see things in different ways and that you can use older products or products maybe that you already have in different ways with these Halloween cards. So I stamped and heat embossed in white embossing powder that sentiment that's going to go underneath, and here I'm creating my background. So I have a waffle flower grip mat on my Glassboard Studio glass mat. Then I have a piece of hammermill paper that is a nice white smooth cardstock. Then I have the large blending brushes from Spellbinders. These are incredibly soft and very easy to create a nice smooth blend, especially when you're using Catherine Pooler inks. I love these inks because they blend so beautifully and because they can be used for other things. You can absolutely stamp with them, but you can also do fun techniques. They are water reactive, so lots of ways that you can use Catherine Pooler inks, and I am creating kind of a spooky sunset background. So I have Grape Crush at the top, then Rouge, then Catching Rays, and then Limoncello. So lots of different color here, and you can see that even me, who tends to be very heavy-handed with ink and has trouble kind of blending things out, I am getting a nice smooth blend between these colors. Oh, I'm sorry, the bottom is actually Tiki Torch. So there you go. Look at that beautiful blend, and then as it even soaks in even more, it will blend out even more. I'm using the Spellbinders. This is the splatter effects in Raven. These are not available yet, but click the notify button because I am loving using these. They're so easy. It's like a little nail polish bottle, and when you take the cap out, it's got a brush on the end. So all you have to do is tap on that handle there, and you're going to get these really nice splatter effects. And it makes it really easy to create a very artistic look without creating a huge mess. There is definitely some splatter on my glass board, but as I've shown before on glass boards, this cleans up very easily. I use a little bit of foam adhesive behind that pinked edge rectangle and then some foam adhesive behind the images themselves. Love this sentiment, wishing you a mysterious Halloween night. I really love surprises, so I did not open them all up at once. I really did just open them one at a time and create one card with them. So I am super excited to see what's in day 3. And I'll be back with a video tomorrow sharing that. But for now, I want to thank you so much for stopping by today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon.